Today we have a toolkit by Amazon Basics and we are going to check out what do we get inside of it. So without any further ado, let's quickly unpack it. So here we have it. Firstly, we have these screwdrivers over here. Let me take them out. So these are the 3 screwdrivers that you're going to find out of small sizes, and then we have the 2 large screwdrivers over here as well. They've got the rubber grip on the bottom side and also the Amazon Basics branding over here. Also, let me tell you that one of them is a tester, and on it, as you can see, it can support from 100 volts to 500 volts. Also, we have a clip holder on this tester. The other thing that we get inside the box is this wrench, and as you can see, this is adjustable. Moving forward, we also get to see a cutter. Then we also get to see 2 pliers inside of the box. We also have this hammer over here. There you go. That's how it looks. And on the bottom side, of course, we have the rubber grip. Moving forward, we also get to see Allen keys over here in different sizes. Then we have these screw attachments which you can use with the main unit that we get over here. And let me show you how it's done. So it is magnetic in nature. All you've got to do is pop this inside of it and it is ready to be used. And last but not the least, we've got the electrical tape in the black color. That's all, folks. These are all the things that you are going to find out inside the box of the Amazon Basics Toolkit. Thank you so much.